Morning children, one more activity in English, and the name of this activity is crossword puzzle. Okay, today we will solve crossword puzzle. Okay, we will start from here. One is written here. We will start from here and we will follow the arrow. So look at the first picture. Can you name it? It is a cub. And cub is a young one of lion. Okay, so we will write here cub. C U B, cub. Now this one is complete. Now look at this picture. Can you name this picture? Yes, it starts with B. Bus. B, us. U, S. Okay. Now this is again a complete word, bus. Okay, bus. Now come to next picture. What is this? It starts with S. S, yes, this is a sun. So we will write sun. U, N. Okay. Now look at this picture. Can you name this picture? She is a nun. N, nun. So our crossword is complete. देखिए बेटा ये complete हो गया है ना? Cup, bus, sun, nun. In this way you will complete this one and this one. This is your classwork and the page number is 50. Page number is 50. Thank you children.